O kendi suyu. Tabii.
Paça.
Terbiyesizdir. Kendi suyu. Karabiber.
Let's taste. They also give the tea and water free. We are in Küçük Ev Lokantası in Amasya. It's in the very center of the city and they are famous with the kelle paça soup. Let's go in. Let's take a look at the soup types they serve.
İskemle. Bu ezogelin. Bu mercimek. Tavuk suyu. Paça suyu. Tırnaktan yapılma. Böyle.
Eggplant musakka.
Sebzeli kebap.
Kebab with vegetables.
Kuru fasulye.
White beans.
Pirinç pilavı.
Okay, and rice, the classic one. The specialty like this, kelle paça made from cow's head and the leg part. Yeah, the meat. This is the specialty I made.
Cacığı ikram ediyoruz.
The cacık is for free, which is nice. You cannot see it in Istanbul. The best thing is they also give the tea and water free. So if you come here, make sure to get. They are famous with the kelle paça çorbası, which is sheep's head and leg soup. But since the people in Amasya don't like sheep, they make it from beef. They make the paça soup with the cheek part of the beef.
Sarımsak, karabiber, pul biber, sumak.
Evet, nasıl yapıyoruz?
Sulova'da mezbahaneler var. Büyükbaş, bunu Karadeniz bölgesinde yanak kısımları, boyun kısımlarını alıyoruz.
Okay, the cheek
Evet.
part of the neck part of the
Kelle eti dediğimiz
of the head.
Maraş
This is the Maraş style paça.
terbiyesizdir. Kendi suyu, 2 adet patates, bir baş sarımsak, bir de soğan. Bunları tırnakla, kuzu tırnağıyla, büyükbaş tırnağı da kullandığımız 3-4 saat sonra çıkartıyoruz. Suyunu süzüyoruz. O suyunu kesinlikle terbiye yapmadan yukarı çıkartıyoruz.
The meat stock and meat get separated downstairs and now we're gonna continue to cook it here.
Genellikle bizim paçamız siyah olur. Suyunu vesaire yapıyoruz. Etini koyduktan sonra kaynatıp veriyoruz. Ben Kahramanmaraşlıyım. Aslında sumak bunun suyu olur, sumak ekşili. Burada Karadeniz'de böyle atıyoruz. Pul biber, karabiber, sarımsak da. Sarımsak ve su. Daha hijyen, daha sağlıklı. Güzel sosumuz. Paça böyle kaynayacak, kıvama gelecek. Şu anda hazır. Buyur. Çek şefim, kelle paça. Teyze hoş geldin.
Okay, now you can add the garlic sauce if you want. And also the vinegar. But the chef doesn't recommend to use vinegar because it overpowers the taste of the soup. Let's taste. And I'm gonna tell you how it is. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is really good. It doesn't feel like you are eating awful food, which makes it more harder to eat. It is nothing like that. The pure meat and the stock, very good. I just finished the soup. By the way, it was half portion because we were full. We didn't want to waste. We wanted to eat only half. It is full of meat with the cheek and neck part of the cow. My family also liked it, especially my daughter. She doesn't eat like tripe soup or this kind of kelle paça çorbası as we say in Turkish, but she liked it too. Even though it's like 30 degrees here, we did enjoy, but it would be even perfect to come here and drink this hot soup in a cold day. Now we're gonna have our tea and then continue to visit other places.
Amasya'nın dağları, Amasya'nın dağları, üzümlüdür bağları, üzümlüdür bağları. Pek hoşuma gidiyor, pek hoşuma gidiyor. Saçlarının bağları, saçlarının bağları. Haydi haydi cim dallı, haydi haydi cim dallı. Kızlar giyer bin dallı, kızlar giyer bin dallı. Gönül güzele bağlı.
I'm in Sultan Beyazıt Mosque. I came here last year. It's a beautiful 15th century mosque built by Sultan Beyazıt, the eldest son of Sultan Mehmet, the conqueror. If you come to Amasya, this is one of the places to visit. To see inside and learn more about it, check my links down below to see the previous episode I shared last year. I just met with a friend, which is friend of mine. I had a package to give her. Even though I knew for a minute, she said she came from their village. She wanted to give us peaches from her father's garden. So here we are. How generous people. Let me taste one. The Amasya apple. Here is the pear. Pear mi? Okay, after the famous apple of Amasya, here is the peach from a garden of Amasya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So delicious. And the smell. This is really delicious. So flavorful. And the best part is to witness how generous people are in Amasya. Thank you. I'm in Çorum city. We're gonna see dishes famous in Çorum. Kaç saat?